Primary School, Bagalkot for mathematics class of standard 7th. See students, in the previous class, already we have discussed about the multiplication of a whole number by a fraction and fraction by a fraction, and already we have completed the exercise on the same concept, that is exercise 2.3. Okay, now I am here with a new topic, that is division of fractions. In this we are going to learn about division of whole number by a fraction and division of fraction by a whole number and division of fraction by a fraction. Okay, and afterwards exercise we solve. Very easy it is. And before starting the class, I am going to make it clear that in the previous class, in exercise 2.1, 2 and 3 also, I made you clear some problems are given for home assignment. Those home assignment problems should be solved in homework book. Better you can make an different book for the mathematics home assignment of 100 pages, single line. In that you solve those all home assignment problems. And some are asking, why ma'am you are not solving those toughest problems in the fair notes. Those problems are given for home assignment from the government department, education department only. It is given that those sums are for the home assignment. Okay, in order to reduce the 30% portion of the whole topic, whole portion, government has given that as the home assignment sums. So we need not to solve them. Please make it clear. Those home assignment problems should be solved in a home assignment book, that of 100 pages as you wish. If you want, you can take 100 pages or 200 pages, it is left to you, and you have to solve in them. According to the chapter you go on solving in that, and that is of horizontal, no, that is just a single line, king size book, not horizontal book. In that you solve and keep it. When the school start, we may ask it. Okay, this is what I wanted to make it clear. Now I am going to start the today's topic, that is division of fractions. See here, division of fractions. Okay, in that first we learn division of a whole number by a fraction. How to do? Very very easy children. Please learn it properly, thoroughly. Make the concept clear so that you can do or you can solve the sums your own. Okay, so learn properly. Division of whole number. Example, we will take one whole number as 2. 2 is a whole number. By a fraction divided by, a fraction means 1 by 2 or 1 by 3 will take. Okay, division of whole number by a fraction. How to do? Here just you have to keep it in your mind one concept, that is reciprocal of a fraction. Reciprocal of a whole number is important here. What is that reciprocal? You have learnt in the previous classes, but still once again I will explain the reciprocal as I go on doing the sums. Okay, see here, 2 as it is. To divide this 2, we have to make this sign as into. This will be, division sign will be changed into multiplication. When we change this sign into multiplication, 1 by 3 will be changing into its reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of 1 by 3? 3. Yes, that is 3 by 1. Reciprocal of 1 by 3 is 3 by 1. Okay, now this is 2 by 1, 3 by 1. 2 3s are 6 by 1. This is nothing but answer is 6. When we divide 2 by 1 by 3, the answer will be 6. Here the main important is two things are important here. Which are those? We have to change division into multiplication. When we change the division into multiplication, this fraction is changing into its reciprocal. Reciprocal means numerator will come to denominator, denominator will come to numerator. That is reciprocal. Reciprocal of 1 by 3 is 3 by 1. When we have to write it? When we change division to multiplication. We have to write division where there is division, there we have to write multiplication. Once we are changing the division into multiplication sign, the next fraction or whole number, whatever it may be, the next of this division sign will be changing into its reciprocal. 1 by 3 is changing into 3 by 1. Okay. So here see, 2, only 2 means what it is understood, that 2 by 1. So 2 3s are, already you understood how to multiply whole number by a fraction. 2 by 1, 2 3s are 6, 1 1s are 1. 6 by 1 means 6. Okay, this is what the concept of division of a whole number by a fraction. The same way, I will take 2 more examples of like this. 5 divided by 3 by 4. See here, whole number by a fraction. Okay, now 5, here division is there. Now I am changing this into multiplication. When this sign changes into multiplication, this fraction is changing into its reciprocal. 3 by 4 will become 4 by 3. Okay, 4 by 3. Now see here, if there is any cancellation is possible, you have to do the cancellation here. You have to cancel the things if it is possible. Okay, if it is not possible, no cancellation. Directly you have to multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. Already you have learned this one in the previous concept. Okay, multiplication of the whole number by a fraction, fraction by a whole number, and fraction by a fraction. You have learned it already. The same way we have to follow now. Here there is no cancellation. There is no possibility of any cancellation. So just we multiply and keep 5 4s are 20. Here nothing is there means it is understood that there is 1. It is 5 by 1. Okay. 1 into 3 is 3. See, this is improper fraction. This is improper. When we say this is improper, when the numerator is greater than the denominator, that is called as improper fraction. Always improper fraction should be kept in the mixed fraction. That is the systematic way of the fractions. Always improper fraction should be kept in the mixed fraction. Now this is improper. We have to keep this in the mixed fraction. How to do? I already in the previous videos many times I showed you how to convert this improper to mixed. See, in the working column, just you divide 20 by 3. 3 here, 3 6s are 18. 20 minus 18 is 2. 6 integer 2 by 3. 6 integer 2 by 3 is the answer. This is what method of division of whole number by a fraction. I hope you understood this. Now we learn the next topic, that is fraction by a whole number. How to divide fraction by a whole number. The next topic is division of fraction by a whole number. Now in the previous topic what we have seen? Whole number by a fraction. Now fraction by a whole number. See, now we will take one fraction, that is 2 by 5 is a fraction. Okay, divided by a whole number, that is 10 will take. Okay, see now 2 by 5, you know already I told you that you change this sign division into multiplication. Once we change this division sign into multiplication, the next number, it may be a whole number, it may be a fraction, it will change into its reciprocal. The reciprocal of 10 is 1 by 10. 1 by 10. Now I told you, in this situation, you have to see whether the cancellation is possible or what. Yes, here there is the possibility of cancellation, that is 2 ones are 2 fives are. Okay, now see here 1 into 1 is 1, 5 fives are 25 is the answer. I hope you understood. Okay, once again just I explain. You see, 2 by 5 is a fraction by a whole number. Fraction by a whole number. 10 is a whole number. Now 2 by 5, when we change this division sign into multiplication, it changes, 10 changes into its reciprocal 1 by 10. Okay, then in this, after writing this, you have to see that whether there is cancellation is possible or what. Then yes, if it is possible, we have to cancel it and then we have to simplify. Yes, 2 ones are 2 fives are. Already I told you cancellation should be done crosswise or like this cross, or numerator to denominator, no sidewise. Many children are getting confusion, that only. They are doing the same mistake again in the exams. They are repeating it. So please make it clear that cancellation is possible only for numerator to denominator or both the crosswise, like this cross. So 1 ones are 1, 5 fives are 25. This is what division of fraction by a whole number. One more example I will take like this. See, 3 by 7 divided by what is that? Any one number, 14 will take. Okay, 14 will take. Now 3 by 7 division is changing into multiplication. What is the reciprocal of 14? 1 by 14. Now any cancellation is possible here? No. Because 7 and 14 are here, we cannot cancel them. How we can cancel? Numerator to denominator, or both the crosswise. No sidewise. Please remember, very important point. So now no cancellation is possible. We have to write 3 ones are 3, 14 sevens are 98. Yes. 3 by 98 will be the answer. This is what method of fraction by a whole number. Fraction by a fraction. Now I will take one fraction, that is 2 by 7. Another fraction divided by 1 by 3. Very easy. The same method. Changing the division sign into multiplication. Then the next number or the fraction will be in the reciprocal form. Yes, 2 by 7 division will be changing into multiplication. Then 1 by 3 is changing into 3 by 1. Its reciprocal is 3 by 1. 1 by 3 reciprocal is 3 by 1. 2 by 3 reciprocal is 3 by 2. So now just multiplication. No cancellation is possible here. Okay, 2 threes are 6. 7 ones are 7, 6 by 7 is an answer. Finish. The same way, now 11 by 20 divided by 5 by 7. Okay, now 11 by 20 division is changing into multiplication. 5 by 7 is changing into 7 by 5. 7 by 5, reciprocal of 5 by 7 is 7 by 5. No cancellation is possible. 25 are there, but sidewise no cancellation. So what to do? 11 sevens are 77. 25s are 100. Here also, if possible, you can do. If there is no possibility here, automatically here also there is no possibility. Okay, now 77 by 100 is the answer for this sum. This is what all about the division of fractions of 3 types. What are those? Fraction by a whole number by a fraction, and fraction by a fraction. So regarding this, now we solve exercise 2.4. Exercise 2.4. 2.4, the first main, find. First main, find. Twelve divided by 3 by 4. Whole number by a fraction. Okay. Now 12 divided by will be changing into multiplication. 3 by 4 is changing into 4 by 3. Okay. Is equal to. Now cancellation is possible. 3 ones are 3, 4s are 4 4s are 16 by 1. This is nothing but 16 is the answer. Okay. Now the next one is second one, that is 14. Second one, 14 divided by 5 by 6. See, 14 divided by, this division sign is changing into multiplication. 5 by 6 will be changing into 6 by 5. Now we cannot cancel anything here. Okay, then what is the answer? 14 6 are 84. Okay, then divided by 5 ones are 5. Now this is improper fraction. Improper fraction is written or it will be kept in the form of mixed fraction. So 84. See, directly I'll show you how to do. See, 5 ones are 5. Here 3 remained, 34. 5 6 are 30. Okay. Then 4 remained. 4 will be in the numerator here divided by 5. This is what another method of writing the improper fraction to mixed fraction, or you know usual method, you can do it. 5 ones are 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. Take the 4 down. 5 6 is 30. 4 remained. 16 integer 4 by 5. 16 integer 4 by 5. Here only directly you must have the practice of doing this type of sums directly. It saves your time. Okay, as you go in the higher class, it must be practiced. It is useful for you. So here only you have to do it. Otherwise, no miss, we can't miss. You have to do in the working column. Write the answer here till you get the practice. Okay, this is what second one. Then third sum. Third one, 8 divided by 7 by 3. 8 into 7 by 3 is changing into 3 by 7. So 8 3s are 24 divided by 7. Now see here, 7 3s are 21. Okay. How many remain here? 3. 3 by 7. You can verify. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 3, 24 by 7. This is what the answer. Now, next one is fourth one. That is 4 divided by 8 by 3 is equal to 4 into, well, division is changing into, this is 3 by 8. See now, cancellation is possible. 4 ones are 4 2s are. Now 1 3s are 3, 1 2s are 2. Answer is 3 by 2. This is in the improper fraction. How to write it? 2 ones are 2, 1 remained. So 1 integer 1 by 2 is the answer. This is a fourth problem. Then the next one, fifth problem. Fifth problem is 3 divided by 2 integer 1 by 3. See here, 3. First we will write mixed fraction into improper. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7 by 3. Now 3 division is changing into 7 by 3 is 3 by 7. That is 3 3s are 9 by 7. That is 1 integer 2 by 7 is the answer. I hope you understood. See here, first If there is a mixed fraction, you have to change this mixed fraction into improper first. Now the sign will be same. Now we got this form. Now next step we have to change this division sign into multiplication. Then 7 by 3 is changing into 3 by 7. It's the reciprocal and then simplification. This is what the fifth problem. Then the sixth one. Sixth problem and last problem in the first main. 5 divided by 3 integer 4 by 7. See, 5 divided by 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 4, 25 by 7. So, 5 into 7 by 25. Reciprocal of 25 by 7 is 7 by 25. 5 ones are 5 5s are. Answer is 7 ones are 7 by 5 is equal to 1 integer 2 by 5 is the answer. This is what all the sums from the first main. Okay, you copy this. I will come back for the second main. Now the second main is find the reciprocals of the following fractions. Classify the reciprocals as proper, improper and whole numbers. First we have to find the reciprocal, and for that reciprocal whether it is proper or improper or whole number we have to write. Okay, the first one is 3 by 7. 3 by 7. What is the reciprocal of 3 by 7? 3 by 7 is reciprocal of 3 by 7 is, we will write like this, 3 by 7. Reciprocal of 3 by 7 is 7 by 3. Is it proper, improper or whole number? This is, see, if the numerator is greater than the denominator, that is improper fraction. This is improper fraction. Improper fraction. Okay. The same way you have to write for all. Second one is 5 by 8. 5 by 8. What is a reciprocal? A reciprocal of 5 by 8 is 8 by 5. This is also improper fraction. Improper fraction. Okay. Then the third one. 9 by 7. 9 by 7, a reciprocal of 9 by 7 is 7 by 9. This is proper fraction because numerator is smaller than the denominator. So it is proper fraction. Then the fourth one is 6 by 5. 6 by 5. The reciprocal of 6 by 5 is 5 by 6. This is a proper fraction. Proper fraction. Then the next one is, that is 12 by 7. Fifth one is 12 by 7. Reciprocal of 12 by 7 is 7 by 12. That is proper fraction. It is proper fraction. Then the next one is 1 by 8. 1 by 8. Reciprocal of 1 by 8 is 8 by 1, that is whole number. 8 by 1 is nothing but that is 8, that is whole number, is equal to 8. This is whole number. 8 by 1 is nothing but it is 8, so that is whole number. Next, the last one is 7th one, that is 1 by 11. 7th one is 1 by 11. Reciprocal of 1 by 11 is 11 by 1. That is nothing but 11. So that is whole number. This is what writing the reciprocals and writing proper, improper and whole number. So you just copy this. Next I'll continue the third main. Now the third main, find. In that the first one 7 by 3 divided by 2. 7 by 3 divided by 2. See what is the method? 7 by 3, division is changing into multiplication, then its reciprocal 2 is means 2 by 1. 2 by 1 is 1 by 2. No cancellation is possible. 7 ones are 7, 3 twos are 6. Now this is in the improper, we have to write it 1 integer 1 by 6 is the answer. This is first problem. Then second one, 4 by 9 divided by 5. 4 by 9 into 5 by 1, that is 1 by 5. So that is 4 ones are 4, 9 fives are 45. Next, third one, that is 6 by 13 divided by 7. 6 by 13 into 1 by 7. 6 ones are 6. 13 sevens are 91. Yes. Next, fourth one, that is 4 integer 1 by 3 divided by 3. See here, improper fraction, first we have to convert it into mixed fraction, we have to convert it into improper. 3 fours are 12, 12 plus 1, 13 by 3, and this is divided by 3. In the next step, 13 by 3 into, this division is changing into multiplication, 3 by 1 is 1 by 3. So 13 ones are 13, 3 threes are 9. This is improper fraction. So 1 integer 4 by 9 is the answer. Next one is, that is fifth one, 3 integer 1 by 2. 3 integer 1 by 2 divided by 4. What is the first method? We have to convert this mixed fraction into improper. 2 threes are 6. 6 plus 1, 7 by 2 divided by 4. Next, 7 by 2 into 4 by 1 is changing into 1 by 4. So 7 ones are 7. 2 fours are 8. This is proper fraction. No need to change anything. Then the next, that is last one in the third main, that is 4 integer 3 by 7. 3 by 7 divided by 7. Okay. 7 fours are 28. 28 plus 3, 31 by 7 divided by 7. So 31 by 7 into 7 by 1 is 1 by 7. 31 ones are 31. 7 sevens are 49. So this is what the third main. So please copy this. Now the fourth main, that is find first one. 2 by 5 divided by 1 by 2. Same method, fraction by fraction. 2 by 5, division is changing into multiplication. 1 by 2, reciprocal is 2 by 1. 2 2s are 4, 5 1s are 5. Finish. Next, second one, 4 by 9 divided by 2 by 3. 4 by 9 into 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. See here, cancellation is possible. 3 1s are, 3 3s are, 2 1s are, 2 2s are. See, 2 into 1 is 2, 3 into 1 is 3. 2 by 3 is the answer. Next, 3 by 7 divided by 8 by 7. 3 by 7 into 7 by 8. 7 7 got cancelled. Answer is 3 by 8. Then the fourth one, that is 2 integer 1 by 3 divided by 3 by 5. So 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7 by 3 into 3 by 5 is 5 by 3. So 7 5s are 35 by 9. Okay. Now 9 3s are 27. 27, 8 remained. 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 8, 35 by 9. This is the answer. Then the fifth one, that is 3 integer 1 by 2. 1 by 2 divided by 8 by 3. 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7 by 2 into 8 by 3 is 3 by 8. Now 7 3s are 21, 2 8s are 16. This is improper fraction. So how to change it? 16 1s are 16, then 5 remained. 5 by 16 is the answer. Then the next one is sixth one, that is in the last main. 2 by 5 divided by 1 integer 1 by 2. 2 by 5 in, or first we will write divided by only 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. Now we change into reciprocal. 2 by 3. Now 2 2s are 4, 5 3s are 15 is the answer. This is what the sixth one. Now the seventh one, that is 3 integer 1 by 5 divided by 1 integer 2 by 3. 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 1, 16 by 5. First we keep as it is, divided by 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 2, 5 by 3. Now we change the reciprocal. 16 by 5, division is changing into multiplication. 5 by 3 is 3 by 5. Now see, no cancellation is possible. 16 3s are 48 divided by 25 is equal to 25 1s are 25. Then 23 by 25 is the answer. I told you the method. With that method you have to get this improper fraction into proper get the answer. Last one, that is eighth one, 2 integer 1 by 5. 2 integer 1 by 5 divided by 1 integer 1 by 5. 1 integer 1 by 5. So 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1, 11 by 5 divided by 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 1, 6 by 5. So 11 by 5 into 5 by 6, 5 5 got cancelled. 11 by 6 is nothing but 6 ones are 6. One integer 5 by 6 is the answer. So this is what the fourth main. By this the exercise completed. So copy all the sums neatly and practice those. Okay. What is the homework? Homework is here I am giving you the homework. Daily whatever the exercise I am completing, that will be the homework. Exercise 2.4 is homework for you. Daily how many mains I am doing, that will be the homework. Or how many exercise I am doing, mostly only one exercise I am doing, that will be the homework for you. Please keep on touching. That means mathematics is nothing but you need daily practice. Daily when you are in the touch with the maths will be easy for you. That is the main thing or the tips for you. How to become master in the maths. That is nothing but you have to keep in touch. Daily whatever you are observing, watching the video and copying in the fair note, neatly you copy it and try to understand it, and then you do in the homework book the same exercise. Then that will remain in your mind forever. Okay. Thank you for watching. Share and subscribe my channel.